Welcome dear traders and investors on our YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing great. So today I am back with my Nifty's outlook for tomorrow. Before that, let's have a brief wrap up of Nifty's today movement. So today Nifty started the day with a slight positive note from this candle, and after that consolidated in the first half of the session. It made a high of 10,847.85 during the first half, but at the end of the session we saw sharp selling in it from the higher levels. It tested the level of 10,700 on the downside, but was unable to close below the same and closed at 10,705.75 with the overall loss of 0.87% on daily basis. If we look for Nifty's intraday chart, so we will find that it's creating a negative divergence on the chart. That we can see here, it's making a continuous high, but at the same time RSI is making a continuous low, and due to this divergence we saw a sharp sell in it at the end of the session. Today's Nifty top gainers are IndusInd Bank, VDL, JSW Steel and Hindalco, whereas top losers are Bajaj Finance, ZEAL, Asian Paints and Tata Motors. On indices front, Nifty PSU Bank, Nifty Metal and Nifty FMCG sectors stock witnessed a good buying, whereas Nifty Auto, Nifty Realty and Nifty IT sectors witnessed overall loss. Now if we goes for Bank Nifty's today's movement review, so we will find that Bank Nifty also started the day with a slight positive movement, and after that it reacted as our yesterday's outlook video and tested the level of 23,000 on the upper side, but at the end of the session it witnessed a sharp fall from the higher levels, similarly to Nifty, and closed at 22,584.65 with the overall loss of 0.19% on daily basis. As Nifty created negative divergence on intraday chart, similarly Bank Nifty also created moderate negative divergence on intraday chart, that we can see from this chart, where Nifty is making continuous new high, but RSI is sustaining on the same level, which is implicating a moderate negative divergence, and due to that we saw a sharp selling in it at the end of the session. Now if we go for open interest and price analysis, so we will find that Canning, Shell, Tata Chemical and SBN created good long build up, and in these stocks we can expect further upside movement tomorrow, whereas Tata Steel, NIT Tech, Dr. Reddy and Glenmark witnessed short covering from the lower levels, where we can expect further buying from the lower levels tomorrow. On the other hand, Cummins India, Balkrishna Industries, ZEAL and L&T FH witnessed short build up, where we can expect further downside movement for tomorrow, and Equitas, Escorts, BHEL and Just Dial witnessed selling from higher levels, which is also known as long unwinding, and tomorrow we can expect further selling in those stock from higher levels. Now on technical front, if we goes for Nifty's outlook for tomorrow, so on chart we will find that although Nifty is sustaining about its 200 days exponential moving average from last 5 trading session, but today it tested its 200 days simple moving average and took a very good resistance from there. Its RSI is also reversing from its overbought zone, which is further indicating downside movement in Nifty. So for tomorrow, if Nifty breaks the level of 10,700 and sustains below the same, then it can test the level of 10,600 to 10,550 on the downside. For short term, 10,400 will act as a major support level for Nifty, whereas 11,000 will act as a major resistance level for Nifty. Now if we goes for Bank Nifty's outlook for tomorrow, so we will find that today Bank Nifty took resistance from this trend line, and after testing this trend line we saw sharp selling in it, although it break its major resistance level of 22,500 and also tested the level of 23,000 on the upside, but was unable to provide closing above the same, and that's why for tomorrow we can expect downside movement in it till the level of 22,500. On microeconomic front, there is no major data expected for tomorrow other than USA initial jobless claim, which is going to released in the evening. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for daily update. Have a great trading session ahead. Thank you.